So would you like to create an amazing website to sell for free using Ecwid? You are in the right place. Welcome guys everybody to TechExpress. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get started to expand your business online without any upfront costs. So Ecwid is a great platform to consider. Let's begin your journey into this selling stuff. What exactly is Ecwid? Ecwid is a free e-commerce platform that allows you to sell stuff online quickly and easy. With Ecwid, you can sell products on your website, social media marketplaces, and even in person. So how we can get started? Let's get started by setting up your Ecwid account. First, sign up with the Get Started for free. Head to the website and choose the free plan available. Usually what I do is to sign up with Google, so it's going to be much more faster to add the basic information into my own account. Once your account has already been successfully created, the control panel is going to be popping out right into our burly eyes. So here is my store name. I'm going to choose a store name account. Let's go for TechExpress Most. What's your country currency and the country you are living in. And lastly, if you don't have an actual website, it's going to be creating an address for free for us. I'm going to hit now into next, and then you can choose the free version. Now, there you have it guys. Now, customizing your storefront. Once your account has been set up, we can start customizing your storefront. You can choose a theme and add an actual logo. For that, you can see they have the to-do list. Let's go for set up your website and to the store section so we can add our logo, customize the color scheme, and match your brand. Usually what a lot of people do is to add or select an actual template. So here what you want to do is to add a template that resonates with your branding. So here you go. You have the title here, you have the elements that you can edit, your account and your products, and there you have it guys. Now adding products to your store. Let's add your products. So go to the catalog section into the administrator of your products. And once you are here, you can enter the product details like the name, the prices, description, and the photos. I'm going to hit into add a new products and you can see how the product gallery. There is the name, the SKU, the weight, the whole description, add or edit the ribbon, and all of this information is going to be already been created. Attributes, captions, files, shipping and pickups. It's going to be really easy to do. So after that, hit into save and you can always go back so you can check it out, all your products added into your Ecwid store. Now setting up a payment method. Next, set up a payment method by going directly into the payment gateways. For example, there's PayPal, Stripe, and much more. If I scroll here into the left part, I can see the payment section, and here I wanted to go for pay by cash. We have Stripe, there's PayPal, and you can even add a manual payment method if you want to. You can even add the choose payment method to accept online payments into my country, in this case Mexico MX. So here I have all of these elements so I can accept depending on the actual country I'm currently living. Next up, the managing the shipping options. Now configure your shipping options under shipping and pickup. You can set up different shipping rates based on product weight, the price, or the flat rates. Rates and clear delivery times can improve customer satisfaction. So you can add the shipping cost here, and it's going to be setting up the new shipping method depending on where once again you're basically based at. You can choose free delivery, conditional free delivery. You can add your setup, the flight rate, the custom rates, and all of that. Now lastly is to launching your store. Your store is almost ready to launch, so you can preview it so you can check out how it's going to be looking your store. And I'm going to hit into my dashboard. Once I filled all of this information, we have added the delivered goods, the payment options, the product services, and all of this information ready yet, and see if it's actually working for me. And if you liked it, well, congratulations, your online store is now live. Now it's time to share this into the social media and your website, and we can start promoting it. Now, marketing is crucial for your store success. Totally agreed. Utilize social media and email marketing and other digital marketing strategies to attract customers. So engaging with your customers, offer promotions, use analytics to understand your customers' behaviors. You can sell stuff into Instagram, into Facebook, even into TikTok, but you needed to upgrade to advertise the stuff into your new social stuff. So you wanted to check out how it's going to be working for you guys. So with all of that being said, you can compare the features in here so you can see what are the elements that comes with the plans available into Ecwid. You wanted to engage with your audience as much as you want. You wanted to offer promotions, use analytics to understand your customers' behaviors. Go into the upper side, head into reports, and check out how many people check out your website. If you created a few sales there, you can even advertise across Google. There's Google ads, there's Facebook ads. You can add discount coupons, automatic discounts, and much more elements relating into the market section. So that's it, guys. There you have it. A simple and easy website creating into Ecwid, all for free. With dedication and the right strategies, you can grow your online business successfully. If this video helped you, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to TechExpress for more e-commerce steps. If you have any question or experience with Ecwid, you can leave them into the comments below. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Here is your success in the world of the e-commerce. Thank you once again. See you next time.